We at Highway and Heavy Parts are constantly innovating ways to expand our inventory, expedite orders, and improve our customer service. We understand that the success of our clients serves as a testament to our track record, and you can be assured that we'll get you exactly the parts you need, whatever and wherever they may be. Continuous exponential growth at HHP has also allowed us to expand our services to meet the needs of you, the customer. Every year we're adding new brands to our product offerings, creating a variety of choices that suits your needs for all major OEM applications. From turbochargers, rebuild kits, and cylinder heads for your heavy-duty applications to common rail injectors and gasket sets for your light, medium-duty pickup trucks. We now offer parts for key components of all diesel vehicles. Engaging with our sales staff on orders and technical service has never been easier. Our staff is always available to take your calls during regular business hours or chat virtually on the new highwayandheavyparts.com website. Now enhanced with new search bar capabilities for faster navigation and access to one-on-one technical service and ordering. Our website makes it easier than ever to get parts from your mobile device while you're busy under the hood. Faster access to critical parts is our promise to meet the demands of our customers. From owner-operators to repair shops and large-scale fleets, our RSVP and FVP parts programs are designed to partner with your business as a reliable source for parts, service, and expert advice. These programs offer member-exclusive benefits and cost savings designed to make your business more profitable and productive. Parts are just 2 days away with our faster shipping and logistics infrastructure, covering the United States with 5 key locations. With over 45 years of hands-on work experience in the diesel industry, we take pride in supporting the needs of owner-operators, repair shops, and fleet operations across the country. Technicians are standing by, ready to support you with the highest quality products and brands in the diesel industry. Our passion and commitment to you are essential in keeping America running. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.